Twin them. How y'all doing, gang? Look, bro, we got a very I'm sorry, I know the instrumental's hard. Not the instrumental, the intro. Look, that's not the point. Look, bro, so we got a special video today for y'all, the boys. Now, this video is particularly, I did not pick up audio, but y'all know them little videos. I'll put a picture up on the screen. People be doing these videos like where they be doing, oh, I dropped the 20 kill game, I dropped the 30 kill game, you know what I'm saying, without no commentary. So I decided it ain't no commentary in this video, and I dropped 16. So why not post it and try it out? So there's gonna be no commentary in this video. I dropped the 16 kill game. Some slight, you feel me? Since I posted 21 kill game, by the way, if y'all haven't watched that video with the Twitch streamer, I'll put the pic of it on the screen. If y'all ain't watched that, bro, y'all might want to go watch that bit. No cap, Latour. But yeah, bro. So yeah, man, I dropped the 16 kill, no commentary. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy just straight gameplay, not me yapping my butt off. Y'all just enjoy the gameplay. You feel me? Just enjoy the gameplay, Latour. But no, I appreciate y'all boys, and we hit 41 subs. I am more than blasphemous and blessed to just be able to say that. And I thank y'all, each and one of y'all who ever click on my video, even if you dislike the video, you know what I'm saying, just you clicking on it is giving me a view. Like, it's as long as you interested to see what the video about, bro, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. It mean a lot. We on the way to 50 subs. We at 41 now, I believe, but we trying to hit that 100 by the end of the summer. So I need to lock in and start posting. But yeah, I hope y'all boys enjoy this video. I ain't gonna talk y'all head up too much. I just hope y'all all having a blessing day. And yeah, man, I'm not gonna yap y'all off too much. I'm gonna let y'all boys enjoy this video. Y'all see y'all boys at the end. You dig?
There you are. We got the green light. You're going to the war zone. Grab your gear and shoot. You're up in 3. Enemy activity will be high. Expect contact early and often.
Let's get this done. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster. Redeployment.
I see an enemy. Need recon overhead.
Check your fire. Squad. Hunt them down. Signal broadcast detected. Encrypted signal confirmed. Collect the highest stockpile of cash to unlock the broadcast signal. We've got 10 squads active in the field. Enemy soldier incoming.
We're about to get smacked from behind, gang. Come on, get in the building, building.
Alright. our teammate though, like nigga not pushing that.
Target coordinates, stand by.
Oh shit.
Good effect. Missile strike. What the fuck? Reinforcements inbound. Watch the sky. Kill confirmed, and we locate the rest of them.
Down fight.
Get ready to receive coordinates for a valuable weapon crate. Squad left. Keep up the good work. Your squad mate's gone MIA. We're reducing your deployment time. Touchdown. Marking the rest of them. Good kill.
Turn the leg shot.
All on you. Stay alive so your squad can redeploy. Your squad mate's redeploying. Well done. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Enemies dropping into the AO. Fire sale is active. On-station prices are unadjusted.
Oh, it one on the by the water,
Confirmed, and
man.
we located the rest of them. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting. Confirmed. We located the rest of them. Enemy soldier incoming. We've got reinforcements inbound. The lead is yours. Stay relentless and secure a victory. Surgeon's window is ending. Watch your six. You're losing ground. Move it. Enemy.
UAV is being fuel. RTB is...
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Go get hunting. Surgeons has closed. No more second chances. Nearby for friendly
This
missiles.
nigga 21, bro.
Crates have been restocked. Load up. Five squads still operational in the AO. You made it to the top 10. Three squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. Gas is moving. Advise you head to the next zone. You got a lot of ground to cover.
Oh my god, there's one more here. So yeah. Oh no. Down here, they came in.
Some bitches never stood a chance. Nicely done.
Time for assessment. Sometimes a job requires quiet. Someone stole your thunder, huh? Very resourceful. Good skill to have. Let's stay locked and loaded. This ain't nearly over.
$16 kill gang. I told you I wasn't capping, but hey man, look, I'm finna get ready to get about this thing. You feel me? I hope y'all boys enjoyed today's video. I know it was kind of short, but I just had to post this since for the downfall of the Twitch streamer video, which I failed because I had 21 kills. But like I said, man, I hope y'all boys enjoyed this video. I don't know what tomorrow's video is gonna be yet, but I know we dropping tomorrow. You feel me? 100 subs before the end of the summer. But no. It'll probably be after the end of the summer. So yeah, that's what we shooting for right now. Once again, thank y'all boys for 41 subs. I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, man, we back at it tomorrow, bro. So I ain't finna hold y'all up too long. Y'all stay safe, and I'm out. Peace.